Did you know that nearly 80% of students feel overwhelmed by their study habits? Yeah, that's a staggering number. So, what if I told you there's a simple study hack that can change the game? Stick around, because today, we're diving into a technique that's been taking platforms like BookTok by storm. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about study hacks. Specifically, we'll focus on an incredible method that's been buzzing around on BookTok. This isn't your typical cramming method or boring flashcards. We're diving into something much more effective that'll have you retaining information like a pro. Let's be real for a second. Studying can be super challenging, right? Whether it's the distractions from your phone, the endless scrolling through social media, or even just feeling unmotivated to start, we've all been there. And then there are those old study techniques that just don't cut it anymore. You know, the ones that feel like they're wasting your time and leaving you more confused than before? It's frustrating. Poor retention leads to stress, and that stress can affect your grades. But what if I told you there's a way to tackle all these challenges head on? So let's jump into the study hack that can help you overcome all those obstacles. It's called the Pomodoro technique. Now I know what you're thinking, what's that? Essentially, it's a time management method that breaks your study sessions into intervals, typically 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 of these cycles, you take a longer break of about 15-30 minutes. This technique isn't just about timing, it's rooted in the psychology of attention and productivity. Research shows that our brains can only focus for a limited time before we start to lose concentration, and the Pomodoro technique respects that. Plus, those little breaks, they're essential for recharging your brain and keeping motivation high. Now let me share a quick personal story. Last semester, I was drowning in assignments and felt like I was running on fumes. I decided to give the Pomodoro technique a shot. Honestly, it was a game changer. I was able to focus intensely for those 25 minutes, and I actually found myself looking forward to the breaks. I used that time to stretch, grab a snack, or just scroll through TikTok for a few minutes. Totally helped me recharge. By the end of the semester, my grades improved, and I felt way less stressed. So if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed, this could be the hack you need. All right, let's recap. Today we covered the Pomodoro technique, a simple yet effective study hack that can help you manage your time better, boost your focus, and ultimately improve your retention. By breaking your study sessions into manageable chunks and giving yourself those well-deserved breaks, you can transform your study routine and see some real results. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried the Pomodoro technique, or do you have your own study hacks that work wonders? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and motivation to help you ace your studies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.